Welcome. Want to engage your followers and get their opinions on Instagram? Adding a question to your story is a great way to interact with your audience. Whether you're hosting a Q&A or just curious about your followers' thoughts, the question sticker is a fun and easy way to connect. Let me show you how to add a question to your Instagram story in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on your story in the top left corner of your screen to start creating your story. Next, select the photo you want to add to your story. This could be anything from a picture you've just taken to one you've already saved in your gallery. Choose the image that best fits the question you want to ask. Once your photo is selected, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. This will open up a menu with a variety of interactive stickers that you can add to your story. Now, tap the question icon from the available stickers. This will bring up a text box where you can type in your question. Ask your followers anything you like, whether it's something fun like, "What's your favorite movie?" or something more specific like, "What do you think of this product?" Once you've entered your question, tap Done in the top right corner to finalize it. You can adjust the size and placement of the question sticker on your photo by dragging it around or pinching to resize it. Finally, when you're ready, tap Your Story at the bottom of the screen to post your story with the question. Now your followers can respond directly on your story, and you can engage with their answers. That's it. You've just added a question to your Instagram story. It's an easy way to get feedback, spark conversation, and have fun with your followers. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. And